Welcome to Unveiling the Elements, a journey into the world of chemistry. Today, we embark on an exciting exploration to unravel the mystery of chemistry. Chemistry is the science that studies matter, its properties, and the changes it undergoes. It's all about the elements that make up everything around us. From the sparkles of gold to the refreshing taste of water, chemistry is responsible for it all. It's the science that connects the dots, revealing the hidden secrets of the universe. At the heart of chemistry lie the building blocks of matter, the elements. These elements are like puzzles waiting to be solved. With a periodic table in hand, scientists dissect their properties and behaviors to understand the world we live in. Elements are not just names on a chart, they are the very essence of our existence. They can be gases, liquids, or solids, and each element has its unique characteristics. Some are highly reactive, while others are stable and inert. Chemical reactions are the driving force behind the transformations we see every day. They can turn soup into a savory delight or fuel a rocket carrying us to the stars. By manipulating the elements, we can create amazing things. From medicine to technology, chemistry impacts almost every aspect of our lives. It allows us to create new materials, discover life-saving drugs, and develop innovative technologies that shape our modern world. So, whether you're a scientist or simply curious, chemistry invites you to explore, discover, and unlock the secrets of the elements. Let your curiosity be the guiding force as you embark on your own journey into the world of chemistry. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting scientific adventures.